All right, I'm going to try to do a quick tutorial showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So we're going to jump right into this video. It's going to be very practical, and I've been doing this for 3 years full time, so I know a thing or two about how to be laser targeted and focused on affiliate marketing. And of course, there are several different ways that you can get traffic, but I'm going to be showing you how to do this on YouTube because I think YouTube has the most valuable warm to hot traffic and leads that you can get, because people will start warming up to you, start knowing you, and then that leads to more sales. When you go about it with the other traffic methods, it's going to take a lot more traffic, a lot more time to get to that volume of traffic that you need, because the sales are just a lot harder to come by in my experience. So we're going to jump in. I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing. We're going to be using YouTube as a traffic magnet to make these sales. So let's jump in real quick. Research. So I'm going to start off and just say that you can go into anything that you're passionate about. You can also, say something like, what are the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing, right? So you can actually just ask ChatGPT something very simple like that. It's going to come and give us some topics. But you can also, if you can find something that it's giving you right here that you are also a little bit knowledgeable about or interested in or something, right? Even if you're not like an expert in it, but if you are interested in it, that's also very, very helpful, because then you're going to be able to go and, it looks like I'm getting a network error right here, but it looks like you're going to be able to go and learn of something that you're interested in, right? So you're just going to go and pick something right here. So health and wellness, dietary supplements, fitness programs and equipment, healthy eating and weight loss products. So you can go with healthy eating and weight loss products. So let's just go and say that this right here is going to be the niche. Like you could do a review channel on just healthy eating and weight loss products. So that would be a great channel to create, because you'd be able to give all kinds of useful, helpful, valuable video content on just teaching people how to eat healthy, right? And then you can just slide in a plug at the beginning and the end of each video, trying to sell your favorite product or something. But you're going to be giving away a lot of value. But then also your audience isn't going to be surprised when you do a weight loss product review or something like that, right? So let's just do this example. But you can see all these ones. You can go software, consumer electronics, ebooks, productivity tools. The list just keeps going on and on. All you have to do is just use ChatGPT. You're going to get some really great results. I'm going to copy that one right now. And then what we can do is, let's just say that's the niche that we're going to go with. Okay, so I'm going to paste that in on my notepad over here. And then we're going to go and now find some products, right? So we can come over here and just say, I'm just going to actually just go with weight loss affiliate programs. So we can go to weight loss affiliate program. Authority Hacker has 12. We have high paying affiliate programs, 25 right here. So people have already gone out and done all of the research for you. You can also go over here. There's 53 programs right here to choose from. So we'll just go click on that. This will get you started, because you can go in here and you can start looking at like either high demand, wide range of products, long-term potential. You can find reoccurring commissions for different products and so forth. So we can come through here and we can find something healthy wage, commission rate, $50 per lead, weight loss challenges, and so forth. So you can go and start looking at what this is. So this one's really, really cool. Let's just go with this one because I've actually used this one before. Bistro MD. This is a great food meal prep service. They ship the product to your house. They're frozen meals, but the meals are created by really like award-winning chefs, and the program was created by a doctor and so forth. So you have a 30-day cookie duration, commission rate $36 per sale. All you have to do is just refer someone and start making money. Okay, so this is really, really cool. All you'd have to do is just go over here, Bistro MD homepage, join the Bistro affiliate program. So I'm going to right click, open that up real quick. So this is what you do. You do affiliate marketing research. You go and do product research. You can come over here and you can sign up for the program right here. But then you can also come over here. Another thing you can do is you could go over to Digistore 24. You could go to Commission Junction. There's so many different places you can go find products, and the weight loss niche is not lacking in products to promote and sell. Okay. So you just go over to the marketplace over here real quick. And I mean, just look at this right off the bat, the ultimate keto meal plan. Keto is proven to help you lose weight. It still is the most popular diet out there to lose weight. And it's been that way for, I want to say over 5 years now. You get an 85% commission on this as well. So let's just say you find this one, right? It's got good ratings as well. So we could go with any one of these products right here. Okay. So then what are you going to do next? We have a niche, right? The weight loss niche, or the, and where we're going to be teaching people really not healthy weight loss tips and tricks, hacks, and then also casually putting in some affiliate links in our YouTube descriptions. Okay. So now you need to go and create a YouTube channel. I do have a video on this. If we go over, I'm going to go to my homepage real quick and go to videos. And I'll just let you guys know that you can scroll down here. I created a video not too long ago right here. It's updated in 2023. It's how to set up a new YouTube channel. So you can go and watch that video. How to set up a YouTube channel is a 20-minute, very, in-depth. I don't leave any steps out, all the way from finding where to actually click the button to create a new channel. Because if you go up here, there is actually no place to push create new channel. There's actually kind of like a little secret. It's actually harder to find than you would think. So watch that video if you need help on creating your YouTube channel and getting it set up, creating the banners, creating the logos, all that kind of good stuff. Okay. So then now we have done niche research. We've found our affiliate product that we want to go for. We've created our YouTube channel. Now we need to make a content plan. So we can go back over to ChatGPT. There's a lot of different ways that we can go and find different keywords. I'll show you that. But what I like to do is kind of a combination of using ChatGPT and then also using real search terms that we know people are searching for. Okay. So what I'm going to say is give me 30 viral YouTube titles that are no more than 70 characters long, because you don't want it to cut off. It kind of hurts SEO when you have a giant title. So I find 70 characters or less is the best. So 17 characters long for the niche. I'm going to put that in right there. And then I'm going to say, boom. So ChatGPT is going to go out there and find all these different titles for us. Shed pounds overnight. Try this now. Lose weight without trying. It's here. Eat this. Burn fat like crazy. You won't believe this diet hack. So these are all things that people click on because they're just really, really good. My secret weapon against fat, right? So these are all things that if someone was trying to lose weight, all you have to do, I mean, look at this, drop 10 pounds in a week, right? Here's how. Magic berries for rapid weight loss. I mean, this just did a fantastic job for us, right? So we could just take these. I like to get rid of the quotes. So you'd actually just give it another prompt and say, no quotes, no quotations, and it will return them without the quotes. So what you would do is you would just go over and you would open up a new Google Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Boom. And then you would just go over here and you would say topic, and then you would paste these in. I'm going to right click and paste just the values. And then I like to double click that cursor right there. And then you're going to see all of these terms right here. And then I'm going to say kind of like a source. I like to put something like there. And then I like to say, and then I'm going to kind of do something like viral. It's just kind of like a note for me that like the kind of the prompt that I used in order to, because I like to say, like results. So I'll do like a drop down right here. So I'll just say something. A lot of times what I'll do too is I'll say published, and then I'll say 1 day views. And then I measure 7 day views. And then I go 7 day subs. I want to see after 7 days, I'll go back into the analytics and I'll fill this out. I do like to see pretty quickly after 24 hours, once you get your channel up and running, you'll start noticing maybe some different topics that are getting a lot more views than others. And then you want to kind of double down on those, try to come up with very similar titles, maybe talk about something a little different in the video, but a very similar title, because you can replicate that success each time. But I like to note this, right? And then I like to do something like a final grade. So I'll just say like rating. And then I'll do a drop down right here. So it's really cool. You can actually right click right here and you can go with a drop down menu right here. And then we can say we can say just bad and put that as red. If you just got a really bad result, you got like 10 views or less, so you'll start, if it's a brand new channel, it's going to take some time before you can kind of judge these, which ones did best or not. So you might want to wait, a few weeks or a month and then go and rate all your videos. There's also a formula you can actually put in here where it actually automatically rate this. I'm not going to show you how to do that right now, but where it will actually take how many views. You can have a threshold of views and so forth. But this is a really cool thing, because then now you can go like this and just say, we can just say okay, and then we can add one more in here, and we can put this as a green and say good, just to get you started, right? So then now if you published this, you can either put an X, or I like to put the date right there, but you can also just go like that. I really like to put the date. So like right here, I'd put 11/3. And then what we would do is maybe the day one views got, 53 views, and it's a brand new channel. That's actually pretty good, right? 7 days, you end up getting 250 views. And it ended up getting you 8 subscribers. So at the end of the day, you can have your own rating system. You can even put a scale over here, whatever threshold. If you're looking for 5 or more subs per video, then you would never give it a good. Or if you're only looking at views and so forth, right? You can just cater this to what the metrics that you want to look for. But then you can go in here and say, you know what, this was a really, considering the small brand new YouTube channel, I would say this was a good video. And then you just keep going down. You don't have to go in order. You can go pick another one out as well, right? So let me show you one more way that I like to go and get topics. I'll come over here and I'll use vidIQ. You do need the $10 plan in order to do this, but I'll come over here and we'll go to the keyword inspector. If you want to check out vidIQ, it's like a must if you're going to be doing YouTube. It's only $10 a month. There will be a link below. So I'm going to go like this, and we can go with just say something like I'm going to type in weight loss. We can go with a lot of different things. You can get very specific, but this just gives us an idea, and then you can sort this by the score. And all these ones that have high scores, they have high traffic volume. Maybe Weight Watchers review, you can do that to bring in traffic and so forth. But we're going to come through here and we try to go with over 50, right? So we'd come over here and try to find these keywords. And when you find something that has a good score, possibly, let's just take Weight Watchers. If you wanted to get that and start showing like how you could lose 10 pounds on Weight Watchers in 30 days or something like that, you could come over here and then replace that keyword with just Weight Watchers. It's going to bring you a bunch more different keywords that might have to do with Weight Watchers, okay? So like Weight Watchers 2023 program and so forth, right? So you can find all these keywords. You can come back up here and just say like, how to lose weight, type that one in and find all these different keywords. I like to stay a 50 or higher. And then you can go and copy these keywords, and then you can download all of them and then download it as a CSV. Pick out the keywords that you want to go for, because we know that these are keywords that people are typing into YouTube. Okay. So then once you do that, you copy those and you would go and add those to your list down here, right? And then right over here, you would just say vidIQ. So you know that you got these keywords from vidIQ. One other thing that you can do is, last but not least, right? You can come over to YouTube and you can just say weight loss and start looking at different things down here, right? These are the most popular things right now currently that people are typing in. So if you start a whole campaign on weight loss journey, right? So we can actually go journey, but look at this: weight loss journey women, weight loss journey black women, weight loss journey men, weight loss juice. There's all kinds of different keywords once you start typing in the auto suggest. And then there's a lot of different options that you can do right over here. Weight loss oats recipe, right? So you can just copy these down. Unfortunately, there's not really a way to like copy these. So you actually have to get a notepad and then start just writing them down one at a time. But then you can add those in here. And then you could also say that these were auto suggest in YouTube, right? And so then you can get this list right here, and then you've got your content plan. This is where people really mess up when they're trying to do YouTube and affiliate marketing, is that they get overwhelmed, they get intimidated, and then they just don't have a daily plan. And so right now I've got a daily plan right here. I'm going to recommend that you pump out one video daily. Okay. This is going to be the key to success. You want to pump out one video daily. You don't have to be on screen. You can actually just record your screen and give away tips and so forth. Or, you can get on screen or camera if you want to. It doesn't matter. As long as you're providing knowledge and value, that's what people are going to resonate with. That's what people are going to tune in and watch your videos for. But you need to be consistent 5 days a week, pump out one video a day if you really want to succeed at this and get content out there so you can start seeing what's ranking, what's getting views, and then you can double down on it, okay? So pump out one video. That's why we created this content plan right here, because that is what's going to move the needle. And then you go ahead and show up every single day and pump out a video. So one thing, let me just get this straight. It doesn't happen overnight, but this is free traffic. This is organic traffic, and this is very, very warm traffic that is going to be very interested in what you have to say and your products. This is the way to build an audience and start making money for real, okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to add an affiliate link. Let me put this on the screen. Okay, so the next step is you're going to add your affiliate link in each description and have a call to action at the beginning and end of each video. These can be 30 seconds or less. It's just a small plug that you're putting into your video. You're giving a 10-minute video of value, right? And you're giving away all this free knowledge and you're helping people out, but you're, putting in just a small plug, 15 to 30 seconds of just, hey, you want to see my favorite weight loss meal program or my favorite exercise program or whatever it is that you're selling, right? We already went and found all kinds of products. You want to find the best meal. So it's not aggressive selling, but you are getting in front of your audience and you are pushing the product. So you want to make sure you do that. So put that affiliate link in your every single video description, okay? And then the most important part right over here is that we're going to rinse and repeat. You want to rinse and repeat daily. This is what's going to get you results. People give up way too soon. Don't give up. You already have a content plan. You need to see it through. Get your first 60 videos out the door. That's at least a 3-month commitment. If you're doing 20 videos a month, that's a 3-month commitment before you can give up on this, right? You do that and you take it serious and you get better each time you show up and create a video, you're going to start making money with affiliate marketing, okay? If you want to learn more about this and how this all works, if you feel like I gave you value in this video showing you how to get started, then you can also go and join my 6-Figure Freedom Club that I just launched. A link will be below. I'm waiting for the call of action. I waited, gave you pure value, but I do have a 6-Figure Freedom Club that I just launched on the School platform. We already have 17 members in here. We've already got a bunch of activity, people taking action. You get a classroom right over here, YT Affiliate Blueprint. This is a 2.5-hour course that you get access to when you sign up, and this will get you started and show you exactly what you need to do in order to start achieving success with YouTube and affiliate marketing. So you get the classroom right there. We have webinars scheduled. Next Wednesday will be the first webinar. 2 live webinars each month. They also will be recorded, so you'll always have access to those in the vault as well. And then we have a gamification. We have leaderboards right over here. You can see all the people that are already joining the group, that are taking action in their business, and they're learning, and they're going to be a part of the community. And the more engaged you are in the community, the more you level up. I'm going to add more content that you unlock as you gain different levels. But the most exciting part about this is the community, because we are taking action in this community. We are sharing our stories. We're sharing our quick wins. This is the best way that you can actually go out and start connecting with like-minded people that are out there trying to make money with affiliate marketing. I've made over $300,000 with affiliate marketing. And so if you want to learn from someone that walks the walk and not just tells you theory-based stuff and BS stuff, quite frankly, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do on a daily basis in order to make my affiliate commissions and grow my business. So the link will be below for that as well. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.